Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Make sure you actually make your comments definitely and like this video if you find it helpful. So let's take a look at GBPUSD. Let's start with the trend. You clearly can see that this is a bearish trend, right? I mean, if you have been following this channel consistently, I think this bearish move started since August, right? Even before August, right? I think so. It started, before, but we'd be expecting more of a sell, around that period of August, right? We can see that gold and GBP USD has been dropping, due to the fact that there is a massive bullish move on USD index. Now, if you take a look at this, I've actually drawn this trend line, right? Both the trend resistance, which you can see around this level, yeah, and the trend support, which you can see. Now, if you take a look at this is the trend support, this is the trend support, this is the trend resistance here, also trend resistance. Then we can see that price eventually came to this support level, came up, then came to tap this support level very well. Now it gave us this massive bullish move that came to this trend support and trend resistance. So of course, once it's your resistance, what do you expect next? Of course, you're expecting a movement straight to your support. Now that it has got into this trend resistance, we will be expecting more movement downward till it actually comes to hit this our trend resistance on GBP USD. So that is to tell you that more bullish move is to come on GBP to USD. Now, before I go ahead, now those of you that are yet to subscribe to that Patreon channel, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. Right now, we put out high probability trade. We have trade that we have higher chances of winning. That is what we put down out there. Now, if in case you are interested in free signal, because we put out a free signal once in a while, if you are interested, then follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram and you will see the link to our Telegram channel, free, which we post free signal. And now, if you are interested in high probability trade that we have higher chances of winning, trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, right? If you are interested, all you just have to do is subscribe to the Patreon channel. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So you can give it a try for a month. Now, back to my analysis. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. What can you see right here? You can see lower lows here, which took out all these levels here. It took them out. Then we had a pullback or a correction. Then this is again another lower lows. All you just have to do is wait for a pullback to be made on GBPUSD. It's just very, very simple. GBPUSD on this will be very, very simple. It is simple. Just wait for a pullback. Do not bother selling right now because this massive drop has been made. So just be patient. Wait for GBPUSD to give you a pullback. Then you can now go ahead and take your sell again. So basically, we would expect more bearish move to the downside on GBPUSD. So more sell will be happening this week. I mean, and that is on the technical aspect. Let's look at it on the fundamental aspect. We all can see the fight, the war that is going on between Israel and Hamas, right? And we also can hear the news about the US, trying to get involved one way or the other, right? Moving in their warship or something, whatever they are moving there. Now, this itself is now putting this speculation in investors' mind. We all know that once there's uncertainty, we tend to see safe haven currency or whatever tend to go bullish. So gold is a safe haven asset, right? You can see that gold literally gave us a massive bullish move on Friday. Even despite GBP USD falling, despite Euro USD is falling, but gold eventually gave us that bullish move. Why? It's because of gold is a safe haven asset. What again is a safe haven asset? USD, that is your DXY. The dollar itself is also a safe haven asset. So with all this uncertainty, you would expect more bullish move on dollar. So if this USD index or DXY continues to go bullish, then I can assure you that GBP to USD will drop. So technically, GBP USD is going to drop because it is saying it will drop. Now, on the fundamental aspect of it, USD index will continue to go bullish. If USD continues to go bullish, then definitely another drop will be happening on GBP USD. So it is just very, very simple. Expect more sell this week on GBPUSD. So if you are interested on the Patreon channel, all you just have to do is go to the comment section. You'll see the link to the Patreon channel, subscribe, and you'll get access to this our high probability trade there.